Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.
Hello guys, welcome to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video we'll be taking a look at an altcoin, THORChain. THORChain has made a 60% increase over the last 1 week. The last 1 month has seen it increase by 224%. The altcoin market is bubbling. We're seeing triple digit gains on a monthly time frame. THORChain trades around the $5 level. How high can we go in the coming days and the coming weeks? Can we continue pumping to higher prices? We have gone from as low as $0.79 level. In this bear market, we have rallied to as high as $5.16. Can THORChain get to new all-time highs? We'll take a look at THORChain's performance against Bitcoin. Also look at its market cap. Will it get to that $2 billion level? We're talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business.
I can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
We've seen the altcoin market have a great time over the last 1 week, over the last 1 month. We've seen it have a wonderful time, and some altcoins on the yearly time frame are having a great time. With THORChain having 381% pump over the last 1 year. The last 1 month has seen it also having a great time. THORChain's market cap sits above $1.8 billion. We have seen a 24-hour trading volume of around $406 million. It has a circulating supply of 337 million tokens. Total supply sitting at 484 million tokens. Fully diluted market cap for THORChain sits at $2.5 billion. We have seen it trade for an all-time high of $21. Right now, currently trade around $5.27. How high do you expect it to go in the coming days and the coming weeks? THORChain is a decentralized liquidity protocol that allows users to easily exchange cryptocurrency assets across a range of networks, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, without losing full custody of their assets in the process. With THORChain, users can simply wrap one asset for another in a permissionless setting without needing to rely on order books or source of liquidity. Instead, market prices are maintained through ratio of assets in a pool. Let's take a look at THORChain US dollar price chart on a weekly time frame. THORChain has had one of those craziest pumps in the cryptocurrency market. Take a look at what THORChain did in the previous bull market, rallying from as low as $0.008 on the 23rd of September 2019. We saw chain rallying up to new all-time highs. It went up for 595 days, pumping by more than 2,500x. Guys, $1,000 invested in THORChain would have made you a multi-millionaire. You would have gotten $2.5 million in May 10th of 2021. That's how outrageous everything was in the bull market. Everything was going up only. But the difference between the bull market and the bear market is that we see difference in price action. In the bull market, we're going up only. In the bear market, we're dumping to gobbling town. And THORChain, in its first full crypto bear market, lost about 96% of its value, which is very, very normal in the cryptocurrency market, which is what you expect to see. Anytime we're in a bear market, after dumping that way to gobbling town, a lot of smart market participants recognize that, you know what, we can still pump to higher prices. We've seen Ethereum have a 90+% dump. We've seen Bitcoin have a 90+% dump. They were buying when we were down in gobbling town. Remember, on this channel, we're going through that brutal bear market dumps. And we're saying buy when it's low so that we sell when it's high. It looked as if we will never go high. Right now, we are going high. So those smart market participants that bought at the $0.77 level are in some sweet profit. And in the previous video, we talked about key levels to rally above. The $1.9 level was an important level for THORChain. We saw it blasting above that level. And we thought we might face some difficulties when we get to $2.93 level. And to our surprise, we have also blasted above that level. So this rally is very, very for real. Bitcoin is pumping to higher prices. Even all coins in the market are having a great time, THORChain included. THORChain has given us a wonderful 500% pump. I'll not be shocked to see it continue pumping in the coming days and the coming weeks. But it's a new all-time high possible, guys. That's $1 million question. Are we going to see new all-time highs from where THORChain is currently trading right now? Yes, we're short. We have to have a huge pump to get to new all-time highs. We have to replicate the pumps we have done over the last 3 weeks. We have to see another 276% pumps to new all-time highs, which is very, very possible. It doesn't mean it's not possible. If THORChain does that from the bottom around $0.77, we would have seen it rally up by more than 2,700%. And I've seen a lot of altcoins having that kind of huge pumps. I'll not take that off the table. But let's use our Fibonacci retracement tool to tell us some other key levels where THORChain might face difficulties. We're getting closer to one of those key levels, and this is the level where I'm sure a lot of smart traders will sell around $6, guys. If you bought at $0.77, if you held on to till we get to the $6 level, I'm sure you want to sell for some sweet profit. You'd have seen your investment go up by around 600%. We're still in a bear market. Bitcoin has not set new all-time highs. So all these pumps you are seeing, it will be smart for you to take some profit off the table. Worst case scenario, we continue pumping to higher prices. You can jump back in. Best case scenario, you save yourself for some huge crash. History has shown us over time that after big pumps also comes big crash. Even though we see Telk and THORChain continue pumping, there will be some corrections along the way. Take a look at this correction we had in the previous bull market. As we're pumping to higher prices, we had some dips along the way. This dip right here was around a 70% dump. If we say 70% dump right now in THORChain, a 70% dump carries from where we're currently trading. We have to see us basically go back to where we're trading earlier in 2023. We'll go to back where we're trading in September. So there's always going to be that risk of a 70% dump gobbling down for all coins. It doesn't mean the trend is over. We can continue pumping to higher prices, but we're seeing some signs that trends might be getting to an end. As greed has returned back to the cryptocurrency market, the altcoin market is heading towards alt season. And alt season will mean altcoins have started outperforming Bitcoin. And anytime we see the market in alt season mode where altcoins are outperforming Bitcoin, it means Bitcoin is done the rally and capital is now flowing to the altcoin market. And when altcoins are done, guys, we might be heading back to a mini bear market or to a full-blown bear market. If we take a look at THORChain's performance against the king of the market, Bitcoin, it has been having a very great time since August. We have been seeing it outperform Bitcoin. That's rallied up more than 350% against Bitcoin. There's still some room for progress. We can still see it continue that pump. Cumulatively, it can easily have a 700% pump against Bitcoin. But remember, guys, if everybody's getting excited, if everybody's thinking the bull run is ahead, that means there's no any bull run ahead. We're seeing THORChain's market cap pump above the $1 billion level. Is still struggling to get to $2 billion. I'm sure we can get to that $2 billion level before the end of the year. But again, with all those key resistance levels, you want to pay attention to them. That $2 billion level might see us facing some rejection at that level. And if we continue pumping to higher prices, we might see THORChain, even surprise myself included, it might surprise all of us, including myself, and maybe get to as high as $3 billion. But if you get to $3 billion, you won't be running for the hills. If you get to $3 billion, I'm sure we'll see alt season, we'll see extreme greed in the cryptocurrency market, we'll see altcoins having triple-digit gains on a weekly time frame, and you want to be selling those extreme greed because surely and surely extreme fear is along the way. Guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Do you think I'm overly bearish on THORChain? Do you see it's pumping to new all-time highs? I want to hear your own exit target. How high do you see it going before the end of the year? Thank you for watching this video. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video, anytime I go live. Remember, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. An investment in knowledge pays the best interest, so invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.